pirates fighting for us. The pirates fight for us. Woohoo!
Arr!
Howdy, pirates.
Previously on CannacityHustles.
We won the one with the safe at 470.
Uh-oh, what you got?
Uh-oh.
It is a sword.
Look at that! Nice! Another sword! Damn!
Is this Louis Vuitton? Really? Oh, Gucci purse.
Worth much more than a regular PS4.
Are you kidding me? Yes, I didn't make a bad choice after all.
Is that?
Harley Davidson.
Hell yeah.
Oh my God. All 7 of us will be fighting over this.
I really like it.
Me too.
Kind of like a loft.
Why do you think I was enjoying it?
Are these guys?
Pretty comfortable.
Yes.
So Mom was gonna throw this away. It's an Oregon Ducks bottle, and it's full of cash. Dollar bills, yo. Oh, you look great, honey. What's inside? $516.85. That is what our total is for the 3 days of our yard sale.
Hi guys, so I really don't want to be on camera today, so I'm going to be the one that does the recording, hopefully, because I just don't feel like being on camera. So you're going to look at some pretty pictures or something right now while I'm talking. Anyway, so we are back at the safe unit today, and today is, I guess, day 6, and the date is June the 5th, 2019. So we are trying to move out as much stuff out of the safe unit and get it home and trashed as possible. Let's go see what everybody's doing. We've got Mama C over here going through drawers, it looks like.
Yep, going through drawers.
Anything interesting yet?
Lots of sewing stuff, pins, all kinds of needles. If I had I need something to put some garbage in though.
Okay, I'll go get you some boxes.
So you can kind of sort this as I go in
This
here.
looks like a legit food
Okay.
box that you would get from a
Food box place, yeah. That's interesting. Well, how do we deal with that? Do we go through it?
Well, what I would like to do is, if it's not expired, give it back to the community.
Yeah, well, that's kind of what I was going to ask about. What do we do? Go through it? What can be given back? And
Anything that's not opened.
Yeah,
If
not
it's not-
opened and not expired.
Yeah. Anything that is otherwise, I'm not going to give to people. I don't want to hurt them.
where's for me?
Honestly,
Hey, look, you got all the tools we didn't get rid of? Here's more.
I'm kind of wanting to keep those nearby because I'm hoping to find an entire collection, put them all together. So we're not taking that with us, but you can put it off to the side. Okay, so what we're doing today is we got rid of all the mattresses, or almost all the mattresses, and that allowed us to see what else is going on in there. So now we're taking stuff out, trying to sort through the trash, get rid of that, have Mama C go through stuff, and Omega Leader here go through stuff while me and Storage Monkey bring stuff out.
Is that just my official?
Yep.
What's that? Is that silver?
Potentially.
Stainless.
Oh.
Yep, stainless. Stainless china on it.
Okay.
It's got a little magnet though right there. Oof. That one does not. Okay.
Hats for everyone.
nice. You should just wear that all day now.
Yeah.
I feel
But you have to wear all of them.
Yes, I'm feeling it.
Okay.
It's like
You know
Oh,
what?
we should have had those for St. Patrick's Day.
You know what?
Okay, I'm gonna go get the boxes out of Mom's car and start setting stuff up. Alright, so we will update you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, okay, so here is the progress that we've made. We have gone through a ton of clothes, and these are both donate. And then all of this that is trash. Just really, really stinky clothes in that big green tub there. It's just really disgusting. Like, we can't even open it up and go through it because it's just too bad. Don't untape it.
Well, I was gonna toss this in because
Nah. So you can throw one of that in one of those bags there.
Got it.
And then we have 2 bags of clothes that we're gonna keep and try to sell. And then we found a bunch of food that is not expired that we're gonna donate to a food box or food bank or whatever. This is just trash stuff. This is stuff that she's been going through. That's gonna be trash, that white thing, after we get the stuff out of the drawers. And then this is stuff that we have to research to list. This is stuff that needs to go back. It's personal items for the previous owners, garage sale stuff, and donate.
Hello, YouTubers. Hope you're having a great day. We're having a ball. Talk to you later.
Thanks, Mama C. Hey, Mitch.
Hello.
Today was Mitch's last day of high school. He is
And I'm
officially
glad to be out.
done with high school.
now you start college.
Okay, so update over. What are we gonna do now?
We are going to get rid of the trash. We are going to go donate some stuff. And I've got this psycho to the left of me acting like the storage monkey. Anyway, so basically we're just kind of thinning through stuff today, getting rid of some more trash, finding things that we can sell, and just kind of going through the process again. We finally got rid of a bunch of stuff, so now we can actually bring more stuff back and sort through it and make more money.
Nice.
That's like pirates do.
That is what pirates do.
Arr. Arr, the pirates light for us. The pirates light for us. Woohoo!
Jump cut.
I'm not cutting that out. Mama C's adorable.
I am.
Don't let the power go to your head.
All
I
right.
want to make an announcement.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
She's pregnant.
We've currently got 46 subscribers. If we get 100 subscribers, I'm going to get the skull and crossbone tattooed on my arm. So like, subscribe, and share our videos. Thank you,
Woohoo.
everybody.
Thanks, guys. Okay, we'll see you later.
Try it again. Okay, the flash is still off, right? Yeah, that was better.
45 degrees high. And enjoy. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I don't know, do they want that part of the snap too?
Just take pictures of absolutely everything you can think of.
That's a really cool little spot there, because we can leave that shit there like that. And just, that's the work center.
Yep.
Because nothing and nobody goes to that area anyway, other than to work. So, that's going to actually make a lot of things easier for us. That's the kind of station that I wanted to set up. And you guys just instinctively created it out of your own necessities that completely matches my vision of it. So, Good work.
Thanks. I've got all my boxes in there by size, but covered by a curtain so that it's not as yucky looking. There's that little thing that we kept to keep everything in, and these are all the things that Mama has lined up to take pictures of next. This is Sinead, as in O'Connor, and then of course over here she belongs in that corner over there, so she'll go back over there once Mama's done. But this is Ariana, as in Grande, our other mannequin. Yeah.
A rundown of kind of what I've been doing here. I've been doing research and getting ready to take pictures, and so we can get these things posted. Here I've got a 1950s, it's a vintage camel German butcher spice tin. Probably post it for about $25 to $30. Then there's a lint silver pewter hollowware lion handled tankard, and this is from Ireland, and we'll probably list that for $20 to $25. We have a solid brass made in China brass bowl, and we'll list that for $17 to $20. Here we have a Makisa round serving bowl, and it will be listed for around $18.95, somewhere in there. We have an Orange County Choppers beer stein, and we'll be listing that for $15, $16, somewhere in there. We have a small vintage ginger jar made in China. It's gold trimmed, and we'll be listing that for $25.
Beautiful.
We have Homedics deep sleep therapy machine with white noise and relaxation sounds. We'll be listing that for $35. And then we have another ginger jar over here made in China, and we'll be listing that for $35. So now we'll get pictures taken of everything and get them listed.
Awesome. Thanks, Mama C.
You're welcome. Back to work.
Yes, ma'am. What did you say after that?
I said I was talking to me getting back to work.
Okay. Carry on then.
I will.
Good girl.